Now to your money and the growing concern surrounding U.S. banks, as one of Europe's largest banks seeing its stock price plunging to an all-time low Wednesday, but rebounding today after news that the lender would seek a multi-billion-dollar loan from the Swiss central bank. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen addressing these bank issues before a Senate committee earlier today. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Amid more turmoil across the banking industry, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen speaking before the Senate Finance Committee, assuring lawmakers and the American people that the U.S. banking system is still strong.
Our banking system is sound and that Americans can feel confident that their deposits will be there when they need them.
Yellen saying taxpayer money is not being spent to ensure deposits in the now failed Silicon Valley and Signature banks. First Republic trying to shore up confidence following the collapse. The bank's stock now up more than 20%. J.P. Morgan now working with Citigroup, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and others to provide a lifeline to First Republic. The bank's expected to deposit $30 billion. Meanwhile, overseas, the stock price of Credit Suisse, one of Europe's biggest banks, plunging 24% to an all-time low Wednesday. However, in trading on Thursday, its stocks rebounded.
They are now fighting for their life after a mass exodus of investors, fearing that that bank could face a similar fate to SVB. Banks are just facing that harsher reality today than they were a year ago before the collapse.
The firm, which also has a big presence here in the U.S., announcing that it will borrow up to $54 billion from the Swiss central bank to shore up its liquidity and investor confidence. There is some good news when it comes to the larger economy and inflation, with new data showing retail sales fell only moderately in February and wholesale prices posted an unexpected decline.
But later this year, we could see things change, with most analysts forecasting some sort of recession because of the inflation we're already seeing. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.